Flipping over to the top 3 things in Keith's macro notebook, in this order, they are the Nikkei, Greece, and Europe. Starting off with the Nikkei. Nikkei at roughly 15-year highs, up about 2.3% on the week. And then Kuroda came out this morning or last night and effectively reiterated his call on the 2% inflation target. Obviously, the reality is it's going to be very hard for the Japanese to hit that. That's driving, the Nikkei higher. They're going to have to implement more dovish policy. He claims he has lots of options. We'll see, and we'll also see what impact that actually has on the real economy. Second thing on Keith's macro notebook, Greece. Obviously a very light day in global macro news today. Greece is really kind of the one point out there that's causing a lot of controversy and a lot of different opinions. Finance ministers of Europe meeting in Brussels today to discuss a Greece bailout. There seems to be a lot of talk of a bridge loan for 6 months. Some newspapers are reporting that Greece may exit completely. But again, more than anything else, it seems like nobody really knows what's going to happen. And then going on to the third thing, this is probably a big reason that's driving the euro down about 50 basis points. And this is pretty important to hit on, but the euro versus the US dollar down 650 basis points year to date and down 1,752 basis points in the last year. So, that's a pretty amazing, really staggering move in a currency. The reality is it's basically a vote against what's happening by currency currency traders, by what's happening in Europe, both on economic activity and really the situation in Greece. And this all comes, despite the fact that the composite PMI in Europe actually came in better than expected. But again, euro down 50 basis points.